Hi YouTube. Well, this one is my fifth attempt, no, no, third attempt at making this video, and I'm fairly new to creating long form content or anything that is above 1 minute. Why am I here? Well, ये तो मैं आगे आने वाले वीडियोस में आराम से पता चल जाएगा. But this is going to be about fitness all in all, and there's this transmission that I did 7 years ago, which might be on your screen right now. And since then, well, I made one mistake in this transmission or during this transmission, and since then I have learned from that, and I have helped my clients avoid that mistake. I have avoided that myself, and since it's been 7 years, मैं बोर हो चुका हूँ इस specific physique से. But well, I was at my peak fitness back then, and खैर, the purpose of creating this YouTube channel is to positively impact approximately 10 lakh people, not approximately, exactly 10 lakh people as soon as I can positively in terms of fitness, or anybody who do not have enough funds or resources to reach out to a person or a coach or a trainer to help them with their own transformation, any sort of transformation, be it fat loss or building muscles or train them for a sport. So I would be trying to help you guys with your lifestyle, with your diet, with your workouts. All you need to do is follow the 45 days upward spiral series. और इस सीरीज में क्या होने वाला है? This series is going to be about fat loss using a jump rope and your own body weight. And there would be 45 days. I am bifurcating them into three categories. First would be beginners, where I will be starting out as a beginner person. This I will be following the changes that I ask my clients to make when they are a beginner or when they start to work with me. Then the next 15 days would be about an intermediate, when the person advances into an intermediate level of intermediate level athlete. Well, I like this word and I love athletes and I am an athlete myself. Now, the last 15 days, or I should say 30 to day 45, would be for somebody who is an advanced level athlete. Level सबके निकलेंगे guys. तो ये 45 days would be about an upward spiral that I would be trying to create in my own life, because I need that badly. Not badly, but definitely I need that. Everybody needs to upgrade, right? So I need to upgrade, I need to look better, I need to look more muscular, I need to build some muscle, I need to get my sleep cycle in place, in check. I need to work upon my fitness levels right now. So how would I be doing that? तो ये सारी चीज़ें मैं तीन कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड करता हूँ. पहली वुड बी मूवमेंट, दूसरी वुड बी एंटी मूवमेंट, एंड थर्ड वुड बी द फूड दैट आई ईट. नाउ हाउ डू आई गेट स्टार्टेड? First step would be putting my food in structure, by which I mean खाने का टाइम, खाने की फ्रीक्वेंसी, एंड खाने में प्रोटीन को प्रायोरिटाइज करना. These three are the only things that you need to do throughout your life in your lifestyle that will keep you on track in terms of weight management. If you do these three bare minimum of things, अब धीरे ये बिगनर है. There are some changes that an intermediate person has to make, वो बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे. But these three are the first three things that I would ask you or anyone of my clients to do. Next comes your like movement. You need to dedicate 1 hour 45 minutes of your day to a good dedicated specific workout, जो कि मैं post कर दूंगा, जो तुम description से निकाल सकते हो. Apart from this, second change I would add in my lifestyle, in my movement, would be completing 10k steps a day, because that's the bare minimum you can do. Apart from this, the third thing that comes to my mind, or the third thing that's remaining, is your sleep cycle. And about your sleep cycle, all you need to do is sleep on time and wake up on time, जो कि सबसे ज़्यादा difficult होता है, I know. But this starts before you sleep. This starts 2 hours before you sleep. How does it start 2 hours before you sleep? 2 घंटे सोने के 2 से 3 घंटे पहले you need to give up your food. You need to be on an empty stomach when you go to sleep. सोने के 1 घंटे पहले you need to give up your phone. Your brain needs to be empty stomach before you go to sleep. एंजाइटी कम करनी पड़ेगी, तब जल्दी से अच्छी नींद आएगी. एंड इफ़ यू नीड टू टेक अ सप्लीमेंट, you can go to a physician क्योंकि मैं अपना सप्लीमेंट नहीं बता सकता हर किसी को. एंड एट द एंड, waking up early is a challenge, I know. All you need to do is अलार्म को स्नूज करने से रोकना है भाई, उठ जाना कुछ भी करके. Try to wake up early. Try to wake up when your alarm goes off, and try to stay or go for a 5-minute walk in your own place, or go out, go to your terrace, wherever you can. Just don't stay in your bed, because that will lead you to sleep again. And if you doze off, फिर तुम 10 घंटे बाद उठने वाले हो और रिग्रेट करोगे उस चीज़ को. So these are the three things that we'll be focusing in this transformation as a beginner. अगले वीडियोस में तुम्हें बाकी चीज़ें पता चलती रहेगी. And I will be posting updates regularly on Instagram. If you feel the need to follow me, you can go follow me on Instagram. Else, you can keep you can keep following me on YouTube. हर तीसरे चौथे दिन I will be posting an informative video. Instagram पे Fat Loss Blueprint series already चल रही है, उसमें I have already posted 10-12 videos, uh, where I have included beginner stuff, and I have also included intermediate stuff. तो जाके तुम इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कर लो. और अगर तुम नए हो, खैर नया तो मैं हूँ, पहला वीडियो है ना, तो तुम भी नए हो, मैं भी नया हूँ भाई, सब्सक्राइब कर लो. दैट्स what I need to keep going, because I need some sort of motivation. Yeah, cool. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.